Old vehicles like this 2002 F-150 with 260,000 miles on the clock start to have certain components degrade, like rubber hosing. This comes off the Evap system and you can see that it's in terrible condition. It's hard, probably has some micro cracks allowing some vacuum to come in. I'm replacing another one underneath here. This goes back to the Evap system once again. You can see it's in terrible condition. You should check these things out if you have a high mileage vehicle and replace this stuff. These hoses should be fuel compatible because the Evap system is a fuel system or fuel vapor recovery system. So again, check it out, make sure those are replaced, prevent any OBD codes.